Keystone Jack. So it comes with this. This is the housing, and this is the cable sorter or slash cap. So with this one, as you can see, it's a Cat 6. So what you're gonna need to do is insert your cables in the feeder or in the sorter, I should say, and then we're just gonna mount it on top. So the important thing here when mounting this is how to properly align your cables in this cable sorter. So I'm gonna demonstrate that. To do that, you're gonna need the following. You're gonna need your side cutter, you're gonna need your cable tire, and I'm gonna use an adjustable wrench just to mount this in. So what you wanna do is remove the cable jacket 30 centimeters from the end, 30 millimeters I mean, which is equivalent to 3 centimeters. So you wanna take that off. As you can see, each pair of treated cable is foiled. So what you wanna do is remove the thing. So now that you've removed the foil from each pair, you're gonna have 4 pairs like this. So what you wanna do with this, you wanna make sure that the steel pad, you don't wanna mix the different whites. So what you wanna do is wrap everything around using the copper plate, the copper tape, I mean. So you can just take one from this strand and just wrap it around here. So this is gonna be useful when you tie this to the cable sorter. So you have to insert them accordingly here, so it has to correspond with the cable sorter's color range. So at the bottom, I'm gonna start with the B standard. I'm gonna start with white and brown, and then orange, and then white and orange, and then the top is gonna be blue and white, and then blue, and then green, and then green and white. Okay. So when I unwind your each pair, so now I'm just gonna start with the brown pair. So I'm gonna insert this there, and then this is gonna go in there. I've meshed the brown pair and the orange pair at the bottom side of the cable sorter. So now it's time for the blue pair and the green pair as well. Make sure that it goes all the way in. That is important. Next is the blue. Okay, that easy. So now we're gonna go with what? Now we're gonna go with green, pure green. Like that. Make sure that it goes all the way in. Then you've got your white there. What you wanna do is fix this with a cable tire. So the reason why we use the copper tape is to make sure when you use the cable tire, you don't want to do it here around your cable. You want to do it here. So this just helps protect the cable. This piece out like that. So what's next now? You're gonna want to trim all of the cables here using your this tool. So you're gonna use the side cutter to trim all of them. So we don't want to have them extending. So they're just enough ending right here. So now that you've used your side cutter to trim the edges, you gotta do it so that it looks like this. So what's left now is to mount these two together, the actual keystone and and the cap. So you'll see when you do this, it's not gonna want to go in all the way. That's because we've inserted the cable. So you're gonna have to use your adjustable wrench just to fix it. Do it nice and slow. So you want to make sure that it goes all the way in. And then that's it, you're done. Now you've got your Cat 6 A cable fitted inside the Keystone.